Branching into justice. Explore the judiciary vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of government and politics, specifically focusing on the judiciary. This branch of government plays a pivotal role in upholding the rule of law and delivering justice. By the end of this video, you'll have a wealth of new vocabulary at your disposal. So, let's get started. The judiciary is the system of courts that interprets and applies the law in the name of the state. This branch is responsible for ensuring justice is served, using laws passed by the legislative branch and enforced by the executive branch. Key words here are: judge, a public official appointed or elected to hear and decide legal matters in court. Court, an institution that the government sets up to settle disputes through a legal process. Justice, the principle of fairness, or the ideal of moral equity. Jurisdiction, the official power to make legal decisions and judgments. In many countries, courts are organized at various levels, each serving a specific function. Let's explore some of these. Supreme Court, the highest court in a country or state. The decisions made here have the highest legal authority. Appeals Court or Appellate Court, a court that hears cases on appeal from another court. District Court, a state or federal court where legal cases begin. This is often where trials take place. Magistrate Court, a lower-level court that often deals with minor offenses and preliminary hearings. Various legal professionals work within the judiciary. Here are some important roles. Attorney or lawyer, a person who is legally qualified and licensed to represent people in court. Prosecutor, a legal representative of the state who initiates and conducts the case against a person or entity accused of a crime. Public defender, a lawyer employed by the state to represent defendants who cannot afford to hire a private attorney. Clerk, an officer of the court who handles administrative tasks such as filing documents and maintaining court records. The judiciary encompasses a range of legal actions and outcomes. Some key terms include: trial, the formal process of presenting evidence before a judge and/or jury to decide a legal dispute. Verdict, the decision made by a jury or a judge in a non-jury trial, at the end of a court case. Conviction, a formal declaration that someone is guilty of a criminal offense, made by the verdict of a jury or the decision of a judge. Acquittal, a judgment that a person is not guilty of the crime with which they have been charged. And there you have it. We hope this exploration of judiciary vocabulary has expanded your understanding of the topic and your English language skills. Keep practicing these words and phrases in context, and you'll soon become fluent in discussing matters related to the judiciary branch of government. As always, stay curious and keep learning.